Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And when you press it, what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and then you will be in the know. While you're in that area, there is a thumbs up button. This is very important on the YouTube platform for creators like myself. If you could take a second and press that button, you will see the number go up and it will turn blue. That means that you're enjoying my content and you're enjoying my videos, and you're telling YouTube to then put my videos in front of other people to find me, but they like my type of content, they just haven't found me yet. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me, because YouTube's platform is so huge. That little thumbs up that you guys can do makes all the difference. So thank you. All right, today I am beyond excited. This came early and I have seen zero sneak peeks on this. It is the box from Fashionsta. To me, this box was a find. I have been lucky enough that I think I went on the waiting list when I first saw the first one, and then I got off the wait list right away. So if there's still a wait list, make sure to put your name on it, because to me, this box is a find. I pay $19.99 for this box. There's mostly full sizes in here, if not all. And now the price of the box is $24.99. But what the box from Fashionsta did was they went ahead and grandfathered people in that were with them for when they started as a brand new box. And then when the price went up, they kept the people, that anyone that wanted to have the box continue, they kept our prices, and I'm on a month-to-month. So it was really, really fantastic. They also reached out to me and worked with me. I do have a discount code for their website, which is 20%, which is True Wants. So you guys can check my links and everything down below in the description box. They're all the way at the end of my description box, the links, because I want to share all the important information of the products, the pricing, and that's all up on top. So I'll try to move some of it up when I'm doing this box, but I want to make sure that you guys know that it's there. So always check my description box for that. Another thing that the box does is, so I don't know if I even said it, I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. For everyone that's starting, if you want this box now, it's $24.99. They also donate, and I'm going to read to you what's on their card. They always put this on here, and I know a lot of girls potentially can gloss over this. To me, this is something important to read, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. It says that our subscription, when we subscribe to the box, beside getting fantastic deal for fantastic prices, and introduced me to so many product lines, it says your subscription helps others. We truly rise by lifting others. Feel good about your subscription because it makes our partnership with 1736 Family Crisis Center in Los Angeles possible. With your box purchase, we are able to lovingly donate self-care items to people overcoming and healing from domestic violence and human trafficking. A sincere thank you from our hearts and the 1736 family, and I will put the website to the 1736familycrisiscenter.org if you want to know more information about that. So now let's get into the box. The box is one of the boxes. It comes in a hard box. When you open it up, it is so beautifully packaged. I remove everything. It comes with a tissue paper with their name all over it. It comes with these black crinklies. When you open it up, I take a picture of it. You'll see it on my Instagram later today. I think it is the most well-packaged, beautiful presentation box that I personally get on my channel. I did open up all the items prior to so we could take the picture. I didn't read the card. So many of these are new to me. I don't know what they are, but I'm telling you, it is beyond exciting. Okay, the first item that is on the card is from this brand called Earth Harbor. And I started seeing this a little bit on the internet through Instagram. It's called the Mermaid Milk. It is a nutrient glow moisturizer. And this is the full box. It comes in the retail box. And this is, and if you see this, maybe you've seen it also, the packaging like this. I have seen this most recently, and I'm so excited that it's already in the box by Fashionsta. Okay, this says it is the nutrient Glow Moisturizer. This is a $42 product, like I said, and for me, it's a $20, but for everyone else, $25 box. It's crazy. So it says, a purely plant-derived replenishing moisturizer that hydrates and balances your skin while giving you a mermaid glow. The lightweight, creamy formula is packed with superfoods and matcha. She is a non-sticky and absorbs quickly. You wear her under your makeup or alone to let your skin breathe. There's no synthetics, it's vegan, and it's cruelty-free. And like I said, this is a $42 value. This is what it looks like here. There is no real scent to this at all. I'm going to take a little bit that's on the cover. So that's what it looks like there. And it looks like the plastic shield is inside the cap. I don't know where to put this. Okay, because we have so much to swatch later. This is what it looks like here. It's going in very, very smoothly and beautifully. And my skin just drank that in too. Really, really pretty. So very excited to have that. And that's the first item in the box. The next item is from this brand called CLE. It is called Cle Cosmetics. It is a melting lip powder. And they're saying it's a $20 value. And it came in this plain box that has this little color on it, but the rest of it was plain. And this was this beautiful component that was inside. And I'm really not sure what this is. So let's read the card and find out together. This says it is a capsulized lip product that transforms pigmented powder into a long-wearing lip tint and a deep matte finish. Thanks to the ingredient vitamin E, using your fingertip or including the lip applicator, the melting lip powder can also be applied to the eyes and the cheeks for a flush and natural color. It's paraben-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. Like I said, this is $20. I'm going to put this on my other hand because I'm so intrigued by this. It looks like a powder. When I'm going to try to put a little bit on the lid here so you guys can see that. Do you see that? And then I'm just going to place it on my hand with the applicator, but they're saying you can do it with your finger. So I'm going to put it like that. This is so intriguing. I've never seen anything like this. That's what it looks like there. And now I'm going to take my finger and wow. So it goes from a powder to a cream. That's what it looks like there. Really, really beautiful. And there you go. Wow. Okay. I'm going to quickly try to, in case this is a stain, I'm going to try to get this off because on the lips it's fine to have a stain, but on your fingers, not so much. All right. A little bit of a red, but that is what it is. Okay. So that's the item here. Really, really excited to get that. Be careful when you use it because like I said, it's a powder and powders, try to do it over your sink. So this way, if there's any residue, you won't have an issue. All right. The next item that we have in here is from Dirty Lamb, another brand that I've heard some really fantastic things about. And this is what it looks like here. And this says it is the Ultra Day Serum. It's a $44 value. It brightens up your day and skin with powerful blend of fast-absorbing, natural-derived oils like rice bran oil. It's Japan's anti-aging secret. It will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. It's natural, vegan, and cruelty-free as well. And I have heard some amazing, amazing things about Dirty Lamb. And it just smells like essential oils. And I'm going to do this again on the other hand because we're going to be doing some swatches, so I don't want to get oil and the products mixed together. And also, if when you do receive this and you see any marks that are black, that is from the bit of the residue of the beautiful crinkles that he puts in there. Sometimes the black from it ends up going onto the product or onto the, not the product, the actual other packaging. So just be aware of that. It's not that it's been sitting around. That's where that black little bit of residue is coming from. Really, really pretty. Really, really nice. Wow. Okay. All right. The next item is from Catrice, and this is a product that I know and enjoy and have recommended to many. This is their Illuminating Prime and Fine. It is the Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. I have this in the regular, I have it in the Dewy. This is a fantastic, fantastic product. And I am so impressed with Catrice. And Catrice you can get in the drugstore. This is called the Prime and Fine Dewy Glow finishing spray. This is an $8 value. It says shake well before using, can be used for priming, fixing, or refreshing. It is transparent, fast drying to give your skin a dewy, glowy shimmer. It's perfect for quick or on-the-go touch-ups. It is paraben-free, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And I know it's a lot of people don't like getting drugstore items, but I do in the boxes. First of all, the value is already there on the first products anyways. But if I can find a drugstore product that I love, and I found it through Trend Mood or BoxyCharm or The Box, I am like over the moon. Ipsy, whoever's going to put it in, as long as it doesn't take away, it's so delish. It is fantastic, fantastic. So if you haven't tried this, this is a great way to try it. All right, the next one, and there's two palettes in here, and one is so unique. This one is from Bellapierre. It is called the Bellapierre Official. It is a color correcting concealer palette. It's a $50 value. It says use underneath your foundation to make any imperfections such as dark spots, acne spots, dark circles virtually undetectable. Color correcting is a technique that has been used by makeup artists for decades to banish imperfections, thoroughly use your colors that cancel each other out, and it's cruelty free. So what I love is they sent it with this fantastic card that tells you everything about color correcting, and it goes on and on. So here, what I love about it, they have the color wheel that tells you exactly where you need to put what, and on her face as well. And I'm going to show it to you here. It is, if you don't own, I owned one for years that was in a color wheel that was really, really expensive from a makeup artist store. And to me, this is definitely you want to keep in your arsenal, even if you don't color correct yet. And I haven't had to in a long time, but it really helps. And to have this in your arsenal and then to play and learn how you can hide these scars and hide the discoloration. And it's just fantastic. So color correcting has been around forever, but this is the first time I'm seeing it in a box in a long, long time. So really, really, really excited that this caliber of product is in this box. So like I said, everything, it comes in these carts. There's nothing missing here. You will be able to play and learn all about color correcting. It's great. And then the last item that's in here is an eyeshadow palette. And the box never disappoints with their eyeshadow palettes they put in the boxes. This is the outside carton. Is this not beyond stunning? And this is the back of it here. That's it up close. And then the inside is just as beautiful as the carton. I am over the moon. I cannot wait to hear what this one's all about. This one says it is from Shop Amor USA. It is called Shine Bright Eyeshadow Palette, and it's only $9. They're saying it is a colorful, fun palette with a mix of matte and metallic finishes. Try wet your brush with a setting spray before dipping into the metallic shades for a foil-like metallic finish. It's paraben-free, cruelty-free. So now we're being introduced to an eyeshadow and a company that we can get these fantastic palettes at these phenomenal prices, which is over the moon to me. So that is what it looks like here. And I'm going to try to take this plastic wrap off without killing. Let me see if I can do this here. I didn't even open this. Oh, I already messed up one of the shadows. Sorry, guys. I'm going to do my best. Okay, here we go. All right. So we got the plastic shield. That's what I just put when I was trying to take the plastic off. So everything came in perfect condition. That's a True Wants mistake. All right. Okay, so I'm going to, they all have names. I'll put them on my fingers and put them up so we can see what they're all about. So the first one is Bare, Sincere, Natural. These are 3 mattes. And then we have like a shimmer over here, a satin shimmer. That's what they look like there. And let's see how these go on. Really, really pretty. That's what they're. I'm going to try to darken up the first 2 simply because they're like my skin tone, and I want to make sure that you guys can see the colors up close. Oh, I did one over there. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to just take this. I use a facial wipe and here, and then the other one that's here, that on this one, I'm going to put it right beside it so you have the whole first row, and that's what it looks like there. Really, really pretty. Oh, the colors are just stunning in here. All right, and then we have Sweet, Charm, Inspire. Those three. They're really swatching beautifully. I cannot believe this is, yeah, it's $9. That is insane. And that's retail. Okay, and then the last two are two shimmers in Wild and Brave. Look at these colors. Guys, this is one finger swipes. This is beyond beautiful. All right, and then the last row, it looks like they're all shimmers, which is really nice because you have, and I'm gonna put it up to the camera again at the end, you have enough of the, these three here, and then I'll do the other three. You have enough of the base colors for your look, which are in the mattes, which I'm gonna go through with you up at the camera. And then you have the shimmers, which you can put in anywhere that has the, that extra oomph of color that you could put in, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So what I'm talking about, and I'll put it up to the camera, let me just try to wipe my fingers up here. So we have all the mattes, which are like the all over eyelid. You got your dark color, you got your transition colors, all of those are mattes. And then all the other ones are the shimmers that you can play with color. I think this is a fantastic, fantastic palette. And it's a brand that I'm not, it's brand new to me. It's AMORUS. That's what it looks like there. Is this not the most stunning? And it's hard shell. It's fantastic, fantastic. I am beyond over the moon. All right, so that's everything we got in our box. The total value is $173. The value is always there to me in the boxes. But this brand, the box from Fashionsta, has introduced me to so many new brands that have now become my staples, and then introduced me to brands that I'm not familiar with that now I'm going to look into. Bellapierre has been around and it is a fantastic brand. A drugstore in the box, fantastic, from Catrice. Dirty Lamb, which is a brand that is really well known and it's really exciting. This brand is also a brand that I'm familiar with, but I just never saw any product like this at all, CLE. And then this one, which is, I think, I'm going to have to look it up, but I don't know if it's a new brand, but it's definitely being promoted a lot on Instagram, and it is called the Mermaid Milk. So like I said, really, really excited. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in a $24.99 box. And it's coming in the middle of the month, which is fantastic. It usually is my last box, but it's not this month. It's dead center, and I'm happy that I'm able to share it with you guys so quickly in the month. Once again, it is the box from Fashionsta. This is the August 2020 box. I'm so excited for you guys to have the opportunity to try it. But also, if you don't want the box, definitely go on their website. That True Wants code gets you 20%, which is like, they have every brand there, and their website is so unique. It has influencers that have products on there too. It's just a beautiful, beautiful site. And 20% anytime, just not on the boxes or things like that. But check it out. It's definitely worth taking a look at the website. But the box to me is always the one that I look so forward to. And like I said, I saw no sneak peeks or anything, so all of this was new to me, and I'm sharing it exactly when it came in today. I'm going to be posting up same day, which is so rare for me. So once again, I hope everybody, I appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here. Thank you. I also have a current giveaway going on. I will leave that right underneath in the description box. I want to make sure you guys watch that. It is from Juno&Co. It is their moisturizer called Moonshine, which is unbelievable. I worked with them when they reached out to me, and they gave me an extra one that I was able to get them to do, which they normally don't do, so that I could have this giveaway. So I hope you guys will enter, because it's a product I use and I enjoyed way before the company contacted me. So I want to make sure that we give them some love back too. And I do have a discount code there as well for their website, and they are also very reasonable but high quality products. So I will leave that linked right underneath below as well. All right. Once again, as always, everybody, continue to stay safe and stay well so that we can continue to enjoy all of this. But health is always number one. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.